If you look at the man called David, he was rejected by his daddy. The spirit of rejection opened door, and David became a luster. He loved women so bad that he caused a man to get killed over that woman that he loved. David loved woman with everything within him, that when David was getting ready to die, everybody else, they check their pulse. They do all kind of things to check if they are still alive. The Bible said they get a beautiful virgin, a young beautiful girl, and put it in David's bed. When they saw David did not move after that young girl, they said the king is dead. They used a woman to check to see if David was still kicking. Amen. The same spirit that attacked David and caused him to commit murder is the same spirit that drummed in his son and caused him to rape his sister. Is the same spirit that attacked Solomon. He had so many women that he lost control of his kingdom. Some of you in this room, you are dealing with the same devil that daddy dealt with many years ago. You leave the islands from where you were, you leave state, you cross country, and you realize you're eating the different food. You still have diabetes, you still have high blood pressure. It is not only the food. Somebody say it is a spirit, it is a pattern, it is a cycle that has been going on in your life. And throughout the Bible, you see all kind of spirit, you see all kind of cycle. And some of you right now, the struggle that you are struggling right now, it is a spirit that come down the bloodline. But somebody better get in your spirit and say, devil, is enough is enough. Today is a day for my breakthrough. I heard somebody say, I will not die from the battle, I will not drop off the rumbar stool. I know who I am, and greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. Somebody give Jesus praise.